bigger in the back.
Huh?
Big ass fan blade.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll pick it up.
Free. I'm working on it. See what we gotta do to unhook it. You got room where you can get it?
Yep.
It's that one to the that side.
Yeah, yeah. All you're gonna do, pick you bolt out, you back the fuck up.
All right.
Then I get you out.
Now we need to load, huh?
What we got?
Huh?
See what we got.
Yeah, move some stuff around, load it back up.
Yeah.
They'll get all the fans out of them, so now it's just loaded.
Yeah.
Whew, that's heavy stuff.
Yeah, it is. Especially fan guards.
Still gonna have full load with that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna still cut that shit down over there.
Huh?
We're gonna still cut that shit down.
Yeah.
You won't take nothing to take sauce all that though.
No. No. Fold it down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's all welded together.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, put two cuts on it and fold
Yeah.
those two pieces in together.
All right, I'm gonna start cleaning up my tools.
Mine, it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put everything back where it goes.
Still ain't done though.
Huh?
We still ain't done though.
Hell no, we ain't done. Alright. Yeah, pretty much like them in the right size. They won't fit.
Yeah.
And unless they're in the right spot, they will not fit.
Yeah.
See, each one of them has a number on it. That's number 11. That was a number 11. That's number 12. That goes there.
I want him to stack right.
That's the 14. All right, we're missing the 13 and the 10. We're going there.
That's 5/16. This should be right here.
Yep.
That's about 30 seconds.
Yeah, see, nothing's in its right spot.
And what is that?
10 millimeter, supposed to be here.
No, it's 3/8 there.
Yeah, which is 3/8 right there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you got them on the wrong. You just
Yeah, I can't
put
see
them anywhere.
I can't see him. No.
It says 9/16.
That's 11/32s.
That's 9/16. It's not in the right spot. It will not fit. That's a 13 millimeter.
I still got one on review.
Goes right there. 7/16 goes right there.
I got 10 on review.
Half an inch goes right there. That's it. Where is it? Oh, it's VIP. That's VIP.
Yeah, take screws in there.
Have mine? Maybe I'll get 13 a pound for this.
Yeah, right.
That's a nice little tray. Nice tray. Somebody use that in the garage. Hang that right on the wall, put stuff on it. That'd be cool. Hold on, Paul, I'll help you out in a minute.
Huh?
Hold on a minute, I'll help you out in a minute. Take a break. Take 5. Something light, oh my God.
Oh. You're not that fucking, the tip off. Got wires in.
Yep.
I got screws in the backside, don't you?
Screws are inside the thing.
Take the hammer to it.
That's steel. Ain't enough in there for me, Paul.
I was trying to get the tape off. Look your set there. No, there's no need for a fucking bite.
Oh, God. Oh, he gave me a headache. Made my head hurt. That's the heaviest steel I ever felt.
You right? No doubt. I think I was still holding that thing together. A couple screws. Nice braid.
I know it. I just don't know what I could use it for.
Nope.
Pretty cool though.
You got 2 of them.
Yep. Don't know what I could use it for.
That's a braid.
That washer's gonna go today too. Just like it is though. I'm taking the cord off it. That motor's only that big. Smallest motor I've ever seen on a washing machine. Huh?
No doubt.
I just want to get rid of it. I don't want it. The like I said, that motor's, have you ever seen one so small? Looks like a dishwasher motor. Little tiny thing. Never seen one that small. So, because I have so much, and since I'm going to be going with a load, I want to unload the back of my truck too. So.
And then you hold that with the forks.
What?
That little force machine.
With their fork?
Yeah.
They'll magnet that thing right out of there.
Yeah, get it in.
We'll back up to this, I guess.
Yeah, no doubt. You need to say that.
Got, oh yeah, this motor side. Ooh. Man, you feel how heavy that thing is?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, set that, made my hand drop. That goes on that front of that right there. These things are massive.